You can use this Panko breadcrumb to do your, say, sweet and sour dishes or your Beijing pork chops. This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're doing a special dish for you. It's Beijing pork chops.
For this recipe, you can use cornstarch or Panko breadcrumbs. First, cut up your pork chops into smaller pieces. Make sure the pork chops are wet, and then get a good coating of the Panko breadcrumbs or the cornstarch. So don't use straight up breadcrumbs, because breadcrumbs won't hold up in the sauce. You can also marinate the pork chops in cooking oil, such as peanut oil, for an hour. Add your favorite flavors, such as onion powder, black pepper, or oregano. So you can use Panko breadcrumbs or regular cornstarch. We're going to cook the pork chops for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At the halfway mark, roughly around 10 minutes, flip the pork chops over so you get even cooking on both sides. You can also cook this recipe on a frying pan if you like, if you don't have an air fryer.
So the result is a juicy, moist pork chop. Lots of flavor in that pork chop.
I'm going to cut up an onion. So first cut up the top and the bottom of the onion and cut the onion into small pieces. Onions are an aromatic, so it's going to add a lot of flavor to your Beijing pork chops.
To make the sauce, preheat a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use peanut oil. And then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Now we're going to add 1 chopped onion. So onion is an aromatic, so it'll bring out some nice flavor in the sauce. So just grill the onions for a few minutes. And then add a cup of water, or more if you want more sauce. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I like to use the natural sea salt. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, or if you have tomato sauce, you can use that. I like to add a tablespoon of HP sauce, or lean parent sauce for added flavor. To give the sauce a nice, rich red color, I use a natural ingredient, which is the beet powder. So put a teaspoon of beet powder in your sauce. To sweeten the sauce, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use regular white sugar.
As you bring the sauce to a boil, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a 1/4 cup of water. Then add the slurry solution to thicken the sauce. You might add more or less of the slurry to get the desired thickness for your sauce. When the sauce is bubbling, add your pork chops. The pork chops are already cooked, so they just need to be coated nicely in your rich, tangy Beijing sauce. So there you have it, my version of Beijing pork chops for you to enjoy.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.